being helpful in the wrong way. It is a mistake, too, to introduce our relations and dependents to worldly happiness and success instead of bringing them into contact with the Dharma. If we really care for them, we should help them to meet religious teachers and instruct them in the practice. Day by day, we should show them how to tread the path of liberation. Good people are like medicinal trees. Whoever frequents them becomes good also. But if, by contrast, we teach people how to do business, how to trick others and stand up to their enemies, they will become as vicious as we are. Rejoicing inappropriately. It is wrong to rejoice at the sufferings of enemies, instead of at whatever is joyful and virtuous. By contrast, when people engage in work for any kind of good cause, or when Dharma practitioners undertake innumerable nyungne fasts, when they do a lot of work building temples, constructing stupas and images, or printing books, we should pray, in this life and their lives to come, may they always practice virtue. May their good actions bring about the birth of bodhicitta in their minds. This is the proper way to rejoice. But if, on the contrary, we feel pleasure and satisfaction when someone we dislike is punished by his superiors, or even killed thinking that he only got what was coming to him, we are rejoicing wrongly.